Guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account without phone number. So let's get right into it. We will open TikTok app, then we will hit on profile. After that, we have to hit on this icon which is top right corner of the screen. Here you will see three of options and you have to hit your right one. Go to settings and privacy. And then hit on account. And here you have to hit on deactivate or delete account. Here we have to tap on delete account permanently. So these are some options and here you have to hit on I'm leaving temporarily. And then you have to hit on continue. So guys, here you have to mark up this option and then you have to hit on continue. And that's it guys. This is how to delete TikTok account without phone number. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.